Want to go viral on YouTube fast, but you don't know which niche to choose? Right now, a new type of video is blowing up, racking up millions of views in just hours. Some creators are getting 60 million plus views and gaining thousands of followers overnight. And the best part? You can do it too. No fancy skills needed. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to create stunning AI-powered videos in minutes. Plus, I'm giving away ready-to-use prompts and secret viral tips at the end. Don't miss out. Let's get started. The best part? You can make videos like this in just minutes, and it's super simple. But don't wait too long. This niche is still new, and very few creators are tapping into it. That means there's a huge opportunity for you to jump in early and go viral. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. I'll even share ready-to-use prompts to generate images just like the ones you've seen. These prompts are fully customizable, so you can create any style of animation you want. And here's the kicker. I've got bonus tips at the end to help you boost your videos and skyrocket your views, so make sure to stick around. The first step in creating our 3D animated short video is getting the right image prompts. Go to the Google Doc and copy the prompt I've prepared for you. Head over to Deepseek AI and paste it in. This prompt is designed to generate highly detailed character designs, like minions dressed as Game of Thrones characters. But you're not stuck with that. Want minions as Marvel superheroes, Star Wars characters, even historical figures? Just tweak the character names in the prompt. Hit enter, and within seconds, Deepseek AI will refine your prompt, making it more detailed and optimized for image generation. If you're not satisfied, ask Deepseek AI for more variations until you get the perfect one. This method unlocks endless creativity, allowing you to craft unique, high-quality prompts with ease. Now that we have our optimized prompts, it's time to generate stunning AI images that look like they were made by a pro. There are multiple AI tools for this, including Runway, Kyber AI, and Pab's Hyper AI. But for this tutorial, we'll use Leonardo AI. Click the Leonardo AI link in the description. Sign in with Google. New users get a 3-day free trial and 100 free daily tokens. Click Image to Video and upload your 4K upscaled image. For the best results, choose Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 as your model. Select Classic Mode for smooth animation. Use 9:16 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube Shorts. Paste your Deepseek-generated prompt into Leonardo AI and hit Generate. Leonardo AI will analyze the prompt and generate high-quality cinematic images. Not happy with the result? Tweak the prompt and try again. Repeat this process for all the images you need for your animation. Now, let's bring these images to life. For this, we'll use hailou AI. Click the hailou AI link in the description. Sign up or log in. New users get free daily tokens. Upload your first AI-generated image. Paste your original Deepseek prompt into the input box. This helps the AI animate the image correctly. Click Generate, and hailou AI will add smooth, natural motion to your static image. Once processed, preview the animation and make adjustments if needed. Repeat this process for all your images until you have a full set of animated clips. Now that our animations are ready, let's enhance the video with background music. For this, I recommend using YouTube's audio library to avoid copyright issues. Simply choose a soundtrack that fits your animation style and download it for free. Now it's time to polish your video and make it look professional. For this, we'll use CapCut, a super beginner-friendly editing tool. How to edit with CapCut open. CapCut and click on Import Media to upload your animated clips. Drag and drop the clips onto the timeline in order. Add background music. Import the track you downloaded from YouTube's audio library. Use smooth transitions. Add fade-ins, crossfades, and dynamic effects. Overlay text. Grab attention with an eye-catching title at the start of your video. Add sound effects. Footsteps, sword clashes, or cinematic whooshes can make your scenes feel more immersive. Once you're happy with your edits, click Export, and your video is ready to go. Now, let's take a look at our final animation. Before you go, did you know small creators are making $10,000 plus per month with faceless YouTube channels? If you want to learn more, check out my previous video on untapped YouTube niches.